Welcome back everyone to another Gameplay Classic tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get more tokens on the Disney Speedstorm game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Disney Speedstorm game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, in order to get more tokens, click on the shop option at the top right corner. This will now take you into the shop page where you can find various different kind of deals, including rewards that you can claim for free as well. Now click on currencies at the top right corner, which will then take you into the tokens page. Here you can see the various different token packs that you can purchase using your real world cash. Just click on whichever pack you wish to purchase. And now this will open up the payment page where you can complete your transaction. Now you can use your Steam wallet balance, or you can also add funds from any one of the payment methods within the drop-down menu. After choosing the method, just fill up your payment details, and once you complete the transaction, the tokens will be added to your game account. You can now use these tokens to purchase various rewards, items, as well as racers. So there you have it. That is how you can get or buy more tokens on the Disney Speedstorm game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.